Thank you for the demo. Yes, I will be standing at yes, Drizella.
Yeah, I'd be beautiful.
You're always beautiful. You don't have to ask permission for that, Drizella. Let's begin the game. Girls, please.
We have to go down.
Yes.
Why don't you come over here?
Well, I'm going to stand at the end now, and we'll see who gets to me first. You may spin or dance or impress the people. They'll be watching.
I'm staying right here. Me too. I'm right here. This is my team. Go, Gwenny. Go. Mother. May we take 5 twirls? One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I changed my mind. Yes, you may.
Seven jumps, Maleficent. That's too many. Stop.
Oh, I believe your steps are very long.
You have to play fair. Yeah, you're not. It was her idea.
I think we need to play it safe, although with enough momentum. May we twirl twice?
Maleficent's gonna twirl?
No, you may not. Girls, a question?
Oh, that's not fair.
Mother! May we take 3 big steps? 1, 2, 3.
Here we go. Ready?
Leaping Lucifer. She didn't touch me yet. Her wingspan. Not yet, children. One more question. So close. Last question, girls. Yes. Girls, the final question.
I said,
Oh, the gate.
can you do that with your short legs, Anastasia?
A grand jeté?
And let's see it.
Anastasia, you must ask your mother first.
Okay.
Drizella, girls, you have a question for your mother?
Or what? The 4 leaps? I don't want to leap.
Our dancer.
4 big steps.
Yes, you may.
We're losing. 1. I won!
Very,
I won!
Congratulations, girls. Very impressive.
You also hug?
Get off me.
I don't think she likes them.
You'll wrinkle her garment.
What happened? What happened to Grace and Floyd?
Come on, no, wait, let's go.
I have never lost before. What is happening?
Oh, she touched me!
Anastasia. Now, to all of our winning team, come take a portrait. And to our
That's
Maleficent team, come take a portrait.